Question answer chapter 6 class 6 question E and G. Now question number E. Give reason for each of the following. First question is reversible changes are temporary changes. We have to give answer for this. Answer is reversible changes can be reversed to obtain the original substance. Hence, reversible changes are temporary in nature. Temporary means which are for very short period of time, because in the reversible changes we get back the original substance. So these are temporary in nature. Now question 2. Curding of milk is an irreversible change. Children, you know curding of milk, or it can also be say like conversion of milk into curd. Now it is an irreversible change. Yes, it is an irreversible change because milk cannot be obtained from the curd. After curd is formed, we can't get back milk again. So it is irreversible change. Now question number 3. Folding of paper is physical change while burning of paper is a chemical change. Answer is when paper is folded, no new substance is produced. For example, we are folding paper for making boat. So paper is paper. Here no new substance is produced. Thus it is a physical change. But when the paper is burnt, a new substance, that is ash, is formed. So burning of paper is a chemical change. Now question number 4. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Children, you know rusting. It is formed, a brown flaky substance is formed on the iron object. Now answer. Rust, it is a flaky substance formed on the surface of iron object and which is different from the iron. Hence, rusting of iron is called a chemical change, because in rusting of iron, a new substance, that is a rust, is formed, which is chemically as well as in the look different from iron. Now, question number 5. Hot air rises on heating. Answer is air expands on heating. When the air is heated or temperature is high, it expands. And due to expansion, molecules of the air spread out. And this increases the distance among the air particles. And this makes the hot air lighter. And light hot air rises up. Children, now the question G. Question F is match we have to do in book. Question G. Answer the following question in one word or a sentence. First is human growth reversible or irreversible? Human growth or growth of a child. Yes, answer is human growth is irreversible. When we grown up, we can't become smaller or younger. Now question 2. Why is rusting of iron an irreversible? Because original iron cannot be obtained from the rusted iron. Rusting is an irreversible change. If we can't get back iron from the rusted iron, so it is an irreversible change. Now question number 3. Name the concept employed to open a jammed metal lid. Answer is expansion due to heating. Expansion due to heating. When it is heated, it expands and the jammed metal lid can be opened very easily. Now question 4. Why are gaps left in railway tracks? Answer is railway tracks expand in summer. Therefore, they are laid with gaps. If railway tracks are fixed without any gap, they will bend due to expansion during summer. Bent railway tracks may lead to serious accident. So they are always laid with gaps. Question number 5. Explain the working of a thermometer. Thermometer. Answer is Thermometer work on the principle of expansion. As the temperature around the thermometer bulb rises, the mercury present in the bulb expands and rises in the tube, and which indicate the temperature. Rise mercury level in the thin glass tube indicate the temperature.